Hi guys, it has been a minute since I vlogged, and I was supposed to put up a vlog today and I just haven't vlogged. But let me know if you guys like vlogs and if it's okay to be posting like my typical at home. I'm just at home still. We just got back on, ooh, we were gone for like an hour. Which is pretty long for the dogs. So we just got back from a long walk with the dogs. It's been a while since I've shown the dogs, so Wardell's probably like a lot bigger than the last vlog that he was in. Yeah, now it's really hot, and that's why I put my hair. So doggo number 1, tired even after we just go down the street. Doggo 2, still not tired after an hour-long walk. What? Why are you not tired? I don't remember the last vlog that I showed him, but I don't know if he got, I see him every day, so honestly, like, he looks the same size to me, but he definitely got his golden hair in, and he got fluffier. He's not as skinny as before, huh? You're not as skinny as before. You're fluffy now. Oh. Oh, you are tired. Look at his booty. His swirls are, oh my god, I thought that was poop. It's a stick. Okay. You got it? You got your tail? Whoa, whoa. So fast. And Clay fits underneath him. Oh, sploot. Updates on the dogs, still a work in progress, trying to train them. We did get them these beds. It's wet because they just drooled all over it. That one is obviously Wardell's. That one is Clay's. Oh, you guys are tired. My allergies are going crazy today, so sorry if you hear me sniffling, but we got these beds. They really just play on them right now, but I've been watching some training videos where these beds are really good to train them on, and yeah, and eventually, like, if they want to go outside, we'll move these outside. However, they bark at everything that moves, so I have to train them on outdoor etiquette to not bark at everything. Okay? Anyways, oh my god, my hair is falling out. Okay, I'm just gonna take my hair down because it's falling. So, dates with me, honestly, nothing exciting. Actually, hello, one big exciting thing happened this week is I got a new job. So that has been exciting, and also not time consuming, but I just really don't feel like there has been anything interesting to vlog. I got my eyelash extensions back on, which I'm super excited about. I filmed like an updated everyday makeup tutorial, which is up on my channel now if you guys want to see that. Yeah, not too much. Some plans that I have in the next month or so. Since I did start my new job, I think I'm going to be redoing like my vanity desk area, because I do need a more office-like setup. Since the company that I work for, we are going to be doing like half work from home, half in office. So I figure I need to really spruce up my area since I will be working from home. Oh, well, I'm working from home full time right now, but in the future I will still be working from home sometimes. So I just need to make that area like cute. So if you guys have any ideas, because I can't decide. So right now I have my vanity and a desk is where I do like my makeup and stuff, but I need to turn it into also an office. So do I do an all-in-one and kind of combine my vanity and combine my office area, or do I do 2 separate ones? But that kind of seems like, I'm just thinking out loud right now, but I just don't want to do 2 separate ones because I don't sit at my vanity every day to do my makeup. It's really only like on the weekends or whenever I do my makeup, which is like once or twice a week. So I don't really feel like it's necessary to have two, but then also I don't want a lot of my makeup where I'm working. He is so long now. He's in full teenager mode, doesn't like to listen anymore. But he's so flirty. Oof. You gonna build it in the sun?
Yeah, get it done. Well, because, I mean, we could put the sun over there. The sun, the shade comes this way. Soft serve would be good.
Are you asking that for me?
Huh? Maybe.
Huh.
Let's go IKEA real quick. Yeah. How you strip plates.
Are you helping?
No, he's not.
He's supervising.
Okay, so now we're... Yeah.
Couple of tired and hot pups. Tired? It's dirty. Hot. Oh. The lip, sir. Almost done. Almost done?
Almost done.
Chiu. I helped in no way.
So here, I'm putting
Wow.
it on. Cranking it.
I have today off. It is the 6th, so I had Monday and Tuesday off after 4th of July. And so I went to the DMV this morning, had to get my real ID. I had to renew my ID, so I just ended up getting the real ID. And then, yeah, I've just been chilling. So I'm gonna start with the bathroom and then hopefully get to the kitchen today. I'm not just too sure. I'm gonna need some cleaning supplies. So for the bathroom, I'm going to do Clorox. I need Windex, and this is Thieves. Where's the bottle so I can show you guys? It's just this stuff right here, natural cleaning stuff. I also need to clean my shower, and so what I do is I have a spray bottle and I put dish soap and vinegar in it, and I spray it on the shower. Stinks because I spilled it. And then what I use is I use microfiber cloths to clean. I'm gonna grab a stack of these. Okay, I gotta go upstairs and I need both hands. I bought eucalyptus for the shower. As you can see, minus the cleaning products, most of it's my stuff, but it's pretty dirty, like the mirror and everything. So we're gonna clean it all up. We're gonna let that sit for 10 minutes. I guess I'll do my toilet in this area while we let that